Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video I will show you how to place a navigation drawer in your Android app. So we can start with a new Android Studio project. Here I name it as navigation drawer example. Select an empty activity. So here our project is created in Android Studio. So every Android Studio project contains a default action bar. So instead of default action bar, we are going to use a toolbar. So first we need to remove the default action bar from this project. Open the values folder, open styles.xml. So here change this one into no action bar. This will simply remove the default action bar from the project. So now the action bar is gone. So here in this project, instead of the default action bar, we are going to use a toolbar. For that, here I am going to create a separate layout. I name it as toolbar layout. So here I already create the needed layout. So here I place a toolbar in that layout with the width is much parent, height is action bar size, ID toolbar, specify a dark theme for the toolbar, and here specify the background as color primary. Okay, so now we need to set this toolbar as the default action bar for this project. So go to the main activity, create some variables for toolbar. Now initialize that variable toolbar. Now call this method set support action bar into toolbar. Okay, now we need to add this layout into the activity main.xml. So before going to add the toolbar, here I am going to place the navigation drawer. So if you want to place a navigation drawer to a layout, you have to add two widgets. First one is a drawer layout and second one is a navigation view. These two components are not direct part of Android framework. These two components are available on a support library. So you need to add the dependency for using design support library. So open the Gradle script file and simply copy this line. So here simply delete the compact v7 and instead just type design. Sorry for the background disturbance, really sorry for that. Now sync the project. So here the project sync finished successfully. So the first step, you have to change the root element into a drawer layout. So I changed that one into drawer layout. Specify an ID for it. Drawer layout. Now here I am going to add some more parameters called Android fit system windows into true. So this will prevent the navigation drawer from overlay the status bar. Okay. So now we have to specify a child view that contain the main contents of the layout. So for that, here I use a frame layout. Okay, instead of frame layout, I'm going to use a linear layout. Specify width as much parent, height also much parent. Now specify the orientation into vertical. So now you can place your layout main contents within this linear layout. So here we have to include our toolbar. So layout, here it is toolbar layout. So within this drawer layout, the first child represents the main contents of the layout and the second child will represent the contents of the drawer. So now we can specify a component that include the contents of the drawer. For that you have to include a navigation view. Specify the width as wrap content, height as match parent. Now specify an ID for it. I name it as navigation view. Okay, so here you need to add one important attribute called horizontal gravity. So the horizontal gravity will decide whether the drawer appear from left side or right side. Probably the navigation drawer appear from left side. So if you want your navigation drawer appear from left side, you have to specify the layout gravity into start or left. Here I specify that one into start, and here you can see now the navigation view is outside of the main content area. So here we specify the layout gravity into start, so it appear on the left side. So if I specify that one into right, the navigation view will appear from right side. Okay, anyway, I'm going to change that one into start. Okay, so this is how we add a navigation view, a navigation drawer to a layout. So we can check it out. So I run the project. So now our project available on this virtual device. So if I drag from left side, the navigation drawer will appear. So this is how we add a navigation drawer to a layout. So here instead of start, if I change that one into right, we can check that also. I change that one into right. Now run it again. So now this case the navigation drawer appear from right side. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. For getting more Android tutorial updates, please subscribe this channel. In the next video I will show you how to add menus to a navigation drawer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.